Shalom, and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. In today's video, we'll be learning Hebrew through sentences. This method not only helps you expand your vocabulary, but also gives you a deeper understanding of the language structure, just like how children naturally learn to speak. So, without further ado, let's begin. To say, I love coffee, as a male, say, אני אוהב קפה. I אוהב, love, singular male, קפה, coffee. And as a female, say, אני אוהבת קפה. To say, I have a dog, say, יש לי כלב. יש לי, I have, כלב, a male dog. To say, I live in Tel Aviv, as a male, say, אני גר בתל אביב. I, גר, live, singular male, בתל אביב, in Tel Aviv. And as a female, say, אני גרה בתל אביב. To ask, what time is it? Say, מה השעה? מה, what, השעה, the time. To say, I want water, as a male, say, אני רוצה מים. I, רוצה, want, singular male, מים, water. And as a female, say, אני רוצה מים. To say, he is going to work, say, הוא הולך לעבודה. he, הולך, is going, singular male, לעבודה, to work. To ask, how much does this cost? Say, כמה זה עולה. כמה, how much, זה, this, עולה, costs, singular male. To say, I am tired now, as a male, say, אני עייף עכשיו. I, עייף, am tired, singular male, עכשיו, now. And as a female, say, אני עייפה עכשיו. To say, we are learning Hebrew, say, אנחנו לומדים עברית. אנחנו, we, לומדים, are learning, עברית, Hebrew. To say, I have a question, say, יש לי שאלה. יש לי, I have, שאלה, a question. To say, she lives in Jerusalem, say, היא גרה בירושלים. she, גרה, lives, singular female, בירושלים, in Jerusalem. To ask, do you speak English when speaking to a male? Say, אתה מדבר אנגלית? אתה, you, singular male, מדבר, speak, singular male, אנגלית, English. And when speaking to a female, say את מדברת אנגלית. את, you, singular female, מדברת, speak, singular female, אנגלית, English. To say I'm hungry as a male, say אני רעב. אני, I, רעב, hungry, singular male. And as a female, say אני רעבה. אני רעבה. To ask, where do you live? When speaking to a male, say איפה אתה גר. איפה, where, אתה, you, singular male, גר, live, singular male. And when speaking to a female, ask איפה את גרה. איפה, where, את, you, singular female, גרה, live, singular female. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And share with me in the comments if there are specific topics that you would like to learn about. For now, thank you for watching and להתראות. Goodbye.